How to enable or disable USB tethering on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Now at the top here, swipe down to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on connections. After that, scroll down. Then tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then in here, you can see USB tethering is grayed out. You need to connect your phone to a computer via the USB cable. So now I'm connecting my phone to my computer. Once it is connected, you can see USB tethering features or functions has been activated and it is now enabled. So you need to tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Once it is turned on, the phone is now showing the internet connections or mobile data to the computer or to a laptop. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Your computer now should automatically have an internet connection sharing from your Galaxy S25 series. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.